Ooh, getting warmer. Getting warmer. Woo! Move around, move around. Faster molecules. Heat is speed. Heat is the speed of the molecules. They're moving faster. They're spreading out. They're spreading out. They're spreading out. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Hello, friends. What we have here is the making of a do-it-yourself homemade thermometer. And you need a clear straw. You need a glass bottle. Plastic bottle will not work. You need rubbing alcohol and some food coloring. You need a little piece of clay or something similar to clay. Play-Doh might work. And some hot water and some cold water. I'm going to take some clay and I'm going to roll it up into a snake. And then I'm going to use the snake to wrap around the straw. And the way I do it is I get started here. Uh-oh, it's touching the bottom. I need to lift it up just a little bit because it blocks the straw when it's touching the bottom. Okay, that marks it for me where it needs to be. And now I just wrap the snake around the straw. Make sure it's sealed. So I'm going to push together the clay so that there's no air between the straw and the clay. It's like a boa constrictor. And then I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing on this side. So it's totally sealed. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to slide the straw and hopefully it's going to reach the liquid but not reach the bottom. So we're good there. And I'm going to press down so that the only way in and out of this bottle is through the straw. And that's it. That's your thermometer. Now let's test it. I'm going to go with the hot water first because if the thermometer goes down, you can't really see it. So we're going to make it go up, hopefully. Here we go. And there it goes. I just had to adjust the top there. Uh-oh. It's about to erupt, so I'm going to lift it out of the hot water. I'm going to let it drip. And here you can see. Woo! What do you think is going to happen when I put it in the cold water? Slow him down, slow him down, slow him down, slow him down. Oh, that's better. Oh, we're cooling right down now. And again, I'm going to let it drip. I don't want to mix the cold with the hot. Okay, we're all chill right now. We're all slowed down because we were in the cold. But now we're in the, warm water. Woo! It's getting hotter. It's faster. Just like in a hot air balloon. The hotter, faster air molecules trapped inside of the balloon cause it to lift above the slower, cooler air molecules. Since your body heat is 20 degrees warmer than room temperature, you can cause a certain liquid to boil with just your hand. I found this hand boiler on Amazon for about $7. And it's important to note that you do not need to squeeze it. It's fragile and it'll break. Instead, let your body heat do the work. Moving faster, spreading out, spreading out. Woo, get me out of here. Spread out, spread out, spread out. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. I do not want this red food coloring to come out of the top of the straw because it is a mess to clean up. Calm down, boys. Calm down, ladies. Slow down, calm down. Chill out. Oh, that's better. Oh, there we go. Slowing down, cooling down. Take it easy. There we go. And so, now it's your turn. Make your own homemade thermometer. Amaze your family with your science skills. See you next time.